Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Unnati, and if you don't know me, well, I'm a fashion and a beauty blogger. You can also follow me on Instagram, and my ID is Unnati Malik. So don't forget to go and follow me there. Also, today I'm going to talk about vitamin C. So you guys know that vitamin C has been proved to be a really nice supplement, specifically in these times, in the times of Corona, and it is really essential that we have that vitamin C. Also, I'm going to talk about some skincare products that you can use that are included in the vitamin C skincare range, and this range is from the brand called Wow Skin Science. So I'm going to review some vitamin C products. So there are three products that I'd like to talk about. The first one is the vitamin C face wash. Then the second one is the vitamin C serum. The third one is the vitamin C face cream. And the first thing that I love about these products is how they look, and each product has something or the other which makes it even more better than the other companies who have vitamin C range. So talking about the first product is a vitamin C face wash, and the face wash comes with a brush. So let me show you how the brush looks like. It has very soft bristles, and these actually help in removing the makeup. So any residue that you have after cleaning your face on your face, you can use this product. All you need to do is push the product like this. The product comes out, and then apply it on your face in any area, and you're gonna let it do very gently. Just move it in circular motions very gently, and then you're gonna wash it off. So this is how you work with this product. Now I'm going to tell you, this product helps in lightening and brightening the skin tone. It helps in finishing age spots, reduce fine lines. It also helps in soothing complexion, and the best part is that it has a very nice vitamin C and orangish kind of fragrance which they've added to the product. The next product that I'm going to talk about is the vitamin C face serum, which has 20% of vitamin C. It is oil free. It does not have any parabens, silicons and mineral oils. It is dermatologically tested. It has vitamin C, which is hyaluronic acid, and it helps in keeping the skin hydrated and brightens the complexion. Now I'm going to show you how the consistency of the product is like. So as you can see on my hand, this is how the product looks like, and I'm just gonna apply it on my face. So this serum has a nice orangish kind of fragrance, and it absorbs in pretty quick. It also feels super light on my face, and it's definitely one of the serums that I would recommend you to buy if you're looking for something in vitamin C. Also, the serum is oil free, so for all of you who have oily skin, do not need to worry about this one. Now coming to the third product, which is the vitamin C face cream. So the face cream is something that I absolutely love from Wow Skin Science, and it has a vitamin C fragrance as well. It has a very nice, again, orangey kind of fragrance. And the best part about this product is that you don't need to put your hands and make the you don't need to just contaminate the cream, because sometimes we use the cream with dirty hands as well, unknowingly, unintentionally, of course. And what they've added is, so there is this pump wherein you just push the product, you just push this, and the product comes out like this. So as you can see, the product comes out, and the consistency is thick. So I will be applying it. It has a very nice orangish fragrance which suits my skin so much, keeps my face super duper light. And the product has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. It is hydrating, brightening and anti-aging. So people who are in their 30s or early 30s can definitely use this product as well. It's going to be very beneficial for your skin. And if you use this regime as a whole, it's going to be amazing for your skin, and your skin's going to love it. I personally love using this regime in my daytime because the vitamin C helps in brightening up my face and gives my face a very nice even tone kind of thing. Now I'm going to tell you the prices of the products. So the face wash is going to cost you $3.99. The serum is gonna cost you 699 rupees, and the cream is gonna cost you 599 rupees. And I really think you guys should invest in a good skincare routine, just like I have. You should definitely go and invest in a vitamin C skincare regime. Also, Wow Skin Science has their own app, which is with the name of Buy Wow, and if you go and purchase from there, you can be a part of a lot of giveaways, and you can also win a lot of goodies, etc. So don't forget to download the app. I will be keeping a link in the description box below to the products and to the app. And yeah guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Until then, bye bye.